What's up, guys? A very short update on price of Bitcoin. Well, first of all, congratulations, another test of 100K, and we even went a little higher. So this is good news. As I mentioned yesterday, there was very strong pattern for a reversal pattern for this false breakout from this false breakout, and it's very likely that the price continues going higher, and indeed it happened. So in that rise, though, the growth from 97 to 101 wasn't from cryptocurrency narrative or anything itself, but with the correlation with S&P 500, which made that move of almost like 2% a day. On the news on the inflation being more or less positive, like dynamics being positive, so maybe the whole narrative for 2025 changes, and Fed policy would not be as hawkish as we may expect it from its previous press conference. So potentially we break this triangle, right, and we're getting there. Still, it's not 100% certain, because, well, nothing is 100% certain, but there's still quite of the level of uncertainty, I would put it that way, because if we see the pullback from this resistance, then we continue to develop the same way, and maybe that was just the first test of the waters, and then we'll continue to go lower. So important time. I would actually expect something much stronger here on the news which we had yesterday, but the main point is, again, we saw that correlation, and the price of Bitcoin pretty much went the same way, and we see the also lower highs, this 3 consecutive lower highs for BTC, also very similar with S&P 500, so kinda descending triangle right now. We returned back below 100K, so we'll see, but it's still more bullish than before. Again, this N-type shape pattern, as I mentioned yesterday, is potentially playing out. And then I think it's very important for the price to stay above 95K, and maybe we are creating a new channel, like narrow channel, relatively narrow channel, and then whether the price breaks this channel to the upside or to the downside. So correspondingly, the price will continue in the same way, with the same direction. Probably within the week we'll see the resolution of that. Still it's more bullish at the moment than bearish, I would say, because we didn't go down to 92K. We actually indeed returned to test this critical resistance, and there is no immediate pullback to 5-6% down, and also altcoins are sort of supporting this price action. We saw the drop from 58.6 to 57, so 1% or more drop in dominance, meaning that altcoins are actually catching up. So it's not that bad. And I would say there's a very, very fair chance that we will break this new range to the upside. And as soon as we do this, then probably as soon as the price holds above 100,000K, so sorry, 100,000, so that's $100,000, then it's almost certain that we continue to go higher, and that would be the first impulse, that this is just consolidation, and the new impulse in pretty much similar fashion we may observe in the following months of 2025. So that means the whole thing is still more or less bullish, or at least the chances are really good. So we'll see how it evolves. We'll see what happens in the next days, or maybe a couple of weeks, to confirm this situation, and I will keep you updated. That is pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.